Just for the heck of it, I'm going to take a picture of one camera with another. This is my new toy. '52 times zoom. Woohoo! And that'd be interesting. Take a picture of a camera with another camera and another camera behind that. Let's see, can't see very much here. Here's where the memory card goes. Charger, dog hair on it. Dog hair. That would be a dog. Camille. Camille. Oh, she's drooling. Happy dog. She's going to the beach today. Whoopee. I'm going to have to learn how to use this thing. I know it's basically point and shoot, but there's a little creativity it can take besides zooming. It's got patch. That's charge. I don't know what that one is. Don't know what that one is. The instructions that came with it were very, very sparse. I've got to go online to get the goodies down. Oh, there we go. It's marked on the outside. HDMI, whatever the heck that is. I think that's to patch into a television. And the other one, oh no, the AV. That one would be for television. I don't know. Got to download information to figure it out. It's kind of neat. It has a pause button, so you can stop and start a video just instantly. Kind of like it. Price was right. Anyway, that's that. Now just waiting for Carla to get out of the post office. She's mailing a box of stuff off to a brother for his birthday. And I'm just along for the ride. Taking care of the dog, being nursemaid, watching traffic. And sights. There'll be sights to see that I've seen before and haven't seen others. And the ever important pad of paper to write down a thought that's worth thinking. That's funny. Whoa! Trying to break the camera. It's covered for everything except theft, so I'll have to keep anybody from stealing it. And meanwhile, we've still got the river going on. Oh, looks like the driver is here. And on we roll.